Navigating through the maze, advanced distance estimation in complex environments. Hello learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our Conversational English series. Today, we're delving into advanced estimating techniques in a fascinating topic: estimating distance in crowded or complex environments. This is particularly useful when giving directions, a crucial part of everyday conversation. Let's navigate this together. Before we start, it's vital to comprehend what we mean by complex environments. In this context, we're referring to areas with many elements, such as a bustling city center, a crowded shopping mall, or a winding park path. Estimating distances in these settings can be challenging, but with some handy techniques, you'll be able to guide anyone, anywhere. So how do we estimate distance in these complex environments? Here are some useful techniques to remember. Landmarks. Make use of landmarks. For instance, you can say, "The coffee shop is right across the huge billboard." Relative location. Utilize surrounding stores or prominent features to give directions, like, "The library is between the bakery and the florist." Sequencing. Establish a sequence of turns or actions. For example, walk past the post office, then take the first left after the park. Sometimes, it's helpful to add time estimates, particularly when walking speeds can differ significantly. Always remember to consider the average walking pace, which is roughly 3 to 4 miles per hour. Here are a few examples. It's about a 5-minute walk from the subway station. It will take approximately 10 minutes to get there if you walk fast. Crowds can make distance estimation challenging. However, you can utilize the crowd's presence to your advantage, such as, "The restaurant is just past the usually busy fruit market. Once you hit the crowded square, you're almost there." That's it, learners. Navigating and estimating distances in complex environments isn't always straightforward, but with these tips, you'll become a pro in no time. Remember to make use of landmarks, provide a relative location, sequence directions properly, incorporate time estimates, and even use the presence of crowds. Happy navigating, and see you in our next lesson.